Hello everyone, Tin Man here. Hold on 1 second. Let me just Windows comments right here. Invite. Okay, done. All right. Hi everybody. Haven't seen you for a long time. Just three quick things in this Facebook Live. Number one, any of you have been to the Nature Talks photo festival? I hope you enjoyed it. So it was last weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and there were 25 photographers who gave talks on their photo techniques, their vision, the conservation, and all this stuff. And if you have missed that, I think you can still go to the website to purchase the tickets to watch the replay. Is naturetalks.com. I'll put the link later in there. So hello. So for that, this Facebook group is somehow called the award-winning wildlife photographers group, and that Nature Talks Festival have a lot of speakers who won the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award, the WPOTY, and grand prize of Nature's Best, top prize in Bird Photographer of the Year, the Big Picture, all these awards. Awards is not everything, but if we can learn something from how these photographers take photos that created such an impact, that would be a very good thing to add to our photography, right? So I highly recommend you guys to go check it out. And I had a lot of good time talking to some of you during the live Q&A section. So that was good. So that's number one, naturetalks.com. So there are 25 hours of videos, people like great photographers like Marcel Van Osten, Federico Veronici, Andy Parkinson, and many more. So good. So number two is I want to ask you if you have missed critical shots in your photography journey. Like you waited and waited, you went to a place, you invested so much time and effort, and when something happens and somehow you mess up the camera settings and you miss the shot. If you have, then I have created a webinar for you this coming Sunday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. So check out the event page, event section in this Facebook group to register, and we'll talk more on that. So that is my webinar this coming Sunday. Number three is so I interviewed one of my previous clients and a very good photographer, excellent photographer, Jeff Kaufman, and yesterday. And not only did he win a lot of awards and get a lot of recognition recently with some of his really, really good photos, but he told me a story about a bird family that he was following that almost, I say almost moved me into tears. It was just so fantastic about nature, about the harmony and everything. So I can't wait to share with you that interview. I just need to do some editing because just want to put those photos and everything. You know how long it takes to edit a video, right? So once I get it done, I'll share with you. I think everyone needs to hear that story by Jeff. So can't wait to share with you. So yeah, three things only. Number one, what is that? naturetalks.com. Check it out. And number two, this coming Sunday, a webinar on never miss a shot. Wow, it may be too ambitious, but how to avoid missing critical shots without fumbling your gear or settings and stuff like that. And number three, the crazy story about this bird family that is just unbelievable that I'm going to share with you guys. So, all right. So good to see you guys, and I will talk to you soon. So, all right.